Munini wa ndongoi kyamani cha Jubilee Fred Matiang'i niwatula Muti Silikali ya President William Ruto kwa Kunengane Ivandi na passport kwa Enenthi manthi mutui kwa nzia itekueleeka. Matiang'i weta kana ulosani mwingi muveani wa usisi wa nthini kana usisi wa nthini niguo mwambililio wa Ivandi cia Kenya kunengwa andu mate ya Kenya vate umilu valawa weta kana President Ruto enda kuseuvya nzia ya kung'ia kura cia unyuvani munene wa mwaka ukite mwaka mweu ena mauvo.
Itina wa mauvo kumbuka kana Enenthi kuma nthi mutui cia Uganda, Somalia undumwe na Ethiopia nethitwe maina wa Ivandi na mavalua ma kutambuka nthi ingi kwanza itekueleeka vanthi ya Kenya. Yu munini wa mutongoi kyamani cha Jubilee Fred Matiang'i niwatula Muti muvia wa usesei wa nthini kwa kulia kwika kunikilimu yanu umo wa Enenthi asu.
In fact, in some countries, some of those issues have not been properly finalized and discussed as expected. Now, you wait and see what is going to happen. You know, our passport will be downgraded, our travel documents are going to be questioned, and the credibility of the things we do, including our identification documents, is now in jeopardy, because if every Tom, Dick, and Harry from across the border is going to have our ID cards and so on, it completely weakens the respect we enjoy, the privileges we could be given by others, and of course the strength of our identification documents.
Matiang'i nena nandiki mama voni wa weta kana nthi ya Kenya yende na kwithikia imani nundu wa wendi mwingi wa atongoi na ulusani Silikalini.
It's so difficult to actually believe that some of the things that we are reading and seeing in the press happen in a serious country, and in a country that is respected across the world. That our ID cards, our travel documents, our passport is being liberally given to criminals and all manner of people because of the level of corruption that has been instituted and accepted by this government in that sector. We are asking fellow Kenyans that if you needed another reason why this government should be voted out, you have it. Because can we continue this way?
Ndongoi ino ya Jubilee ni aweta kana nimekwendea gusukumisia Silikali kuvetanga imwe ya mithia nthini wa mutalatala wa kinando wa mwaka wa 2023 bala waweta kana mutalatala uzua vitu kaundu iliene nthi nimethi wa maivinyi ka kiukwati.
Some of the proposals there are not tenable, and we have, first of all, as a party that has governed and that has been in power before, we have asked that the government engages in conversations with the members of parliament on some of the provisions that are clearly unacceptable. And in the event then that they do not succeed to convince the members of parliament, or they do not succeed to amend some of those proposals, we have suggested and proposed that the bill should be rejected in total.
Ivoti ya vilingi wa movo ni tawa mwaka mweu.